diving into the realm of AI-generated enigmatic videos that hold the promise of going viral can be an electrifying adventure. As you explore this fascinating landscape, you'll encounter faceless narratives that captivate audiences, leaving them curious and eager for more. So embrace the unknown, harness the power of AI, and embark on your journey to create captivating, monetizable content. Here's a guide for you in this faceless video journey. Niche selection and audio research. Choose your niche. Start by narrowing down your focus. Consider what interests you and what has an engaged audience. Whether it's cooking, tech reviews, or travel, specificity matters. Audience research. Understand your target viewers. What problems do they face and what content resonates with them? Use tools like Google Trends or social media analytics to gather insights. Content planning and script writing. Storyboard creation. Sketch out the flow of your video. Decide on the scenes, transitions, and key moments. Visualize how your faceless video will unfold. Script writing. Craft a detailed script. Outline the introduction, main points, and conclusion. Keep it concise and engaging. Remember, clarity is key. AI tools for voiceover and text-to-speech. ChatGPT. Leverage ChatGPT to generate voiceover scripts. Provide clear instructions and prompts to get accurate results. Experiment with tone and pacing. TTS engines. Explore AI-based text-to-speech engines like Google Text-to-Speech or Amazon Polly. Customize the voice style to match your content, whether it's authoritative, friendly, or quirky. Video footage and clips. Record your own footage. If you're creating original content, invest in a good camera or use your smartphone. Capture relevant video clips that align with your message. Stock footage. For specific scenes, search for royalty-free stock footage online. Websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash offer high-quality clips. Ensure they seamlessly integrate into your narrative. Video editing and effects. Video editing software. Use tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Arrange your clips, add transitions, and enhance visuals. Pay attention to pacing and rhythm. Effects and filters. Apply filters, color correction, and visual effects. Subtle enhancements can elevate your video's quality. Captions and subtitles. AI-generated captions. Integrate captions into your video. They improve accessibility and engagement. Localization. If your audience is global, consider translating captions into multiple languages. Accessibility fosters wider reach. Monetization strategies. YouTube monetization. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Enable ads, sponsorships, and super chat. Consistent content and audience growth are essential. Promotion. Share your videos on social media, forums, and relevant communities. Collaborate with other content creators. Engage with your audience genuinely. Remember, authenticity and consistency matter. Respond to comments, adapt based on feedback, and stay passionate about your content. Best of luck on your faceless video journey. Explore the fundamentals of launching a faceless YouTube channel, an arena where anonymity fuels creativity and content reigns supreme. As you set sail, your voice becomes the anchor, and each narrative you weave propels your channel forward. Will your next video be the beacon that draws in a fresh audience? Join our vibrant community by subscribing to our channel for the latest updates and amazing content. Tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay in the loop.